Today we are making ceviche inspired by my recent trip to Mexico and the Caribbean. I tried many different ceviches while I was there and even took a cooking class where I learned this recipe. This Mexican style ceviche is super light, refreshing and packed with fresh ingredients. It's definitely different from Peruvian ceviche, which we will explore another time. But now let's get cooking. Start by slicing 6 to 8 limes, which will make about 1 cup of lime juice, and squeeze all of them. Then you will need 1 pound of shrimp cleaned and peeled. Cut them into small pieces about ½ inch or smaller. Add the shrimp to a bowl, then pour the lime juice and mix. The lime juice will cook the shrimp as if you cook it with heat, but this is with acid. We will keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes until it's cooked. Meanwhile, let us prepare all the veggies we need for the ceviche. Our first ingredient is cilantro. This is the Mexican type of cilantro, which is native to Mexico, Central and South America and the Caribbean. It's a close relative of cilantro, but with more intense and deep flavor profile. I discovered cilantro during my cooking class and I was so impressed. I brought some back to use today. However, it may not be available everywhere, so use regular cilantro and it will also be delicious. Just chop it finely and set it aside. To add a kick of heat, we will be using some spicy peppers. Jalapeno, serrano or habaneros are all popular choices, each offering a different level of spiciness. Mexico and the Caribbean have a wider variety, including the ají combo, also known as Scotch Bonnet, and it packs a serious punch, with more heat but also some sweet and fruity notes. Today I'm using ají combo peppers because I love their balance of flavor and heat. However, feel free to choose any pepper that suits your spice preference. Chop them into very small pieces and be careful not to touch your eyes, and wash your hands well after handling them. After that, you will need 1 English cucumber. Remove the part with the seed and cut into small cubes. We will follow that with a diced tomato, also in small cubes. Finally, we will add diced avocado to the mix. Now that the shrimp have turned a light pink, indicating they are cooked, it's time to combine everything. First, season the mixture with salt and black pepper to taste. Then add all the veggies we prepared. I almost forgot something super important, the red onion. This adds a bit of sharpness to the ceviche. So finely chop half of onion, then add it into the ceviche along with the other vegetables and give it a stir. Taste the ceviche and add a squeeze of fresh lime juice or salt if needed. I'm going to serve ceviche with tostadas. You can find these ready in store, but to do it at home, just spread tortillas on a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Then spray them with a non-stick cooking spray or brush them with avocado or olive oil and bake them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes on each side, or until they are crispy and golden on each side. You will find Peruvian ceviche served with sweet potato or toasted corn. Panamanian serve ceviche with plantain chips, which I also like it, or you can enjoy it with tortilla chips as well. Our ceviche is ready now to enjoy. It's so refreshing and healthy snack with all the flavors from tangy lime and fresh cilantro with onions and other refreshing avocado and cucumber. I'm so excited to hear what you think of this recipe. Be sure to give it a try at home and let me know in the comments. And while you are there, tell me what other Mexican recipes you would like to see on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to more tasty recipe, and thanks for watching.